Friends, running kimono into that last week of Christmas, so I busted out a new 25-cent tablecloth from the Dollar General, made out of the finest, cheapest plastic. But doesn't it really dress up my table? I taped down the sides so it wasn't flying all over the place, but I think it looks rather elegant. Like this video if you agree. The weather report for you guys, we have two sad inflatables. They're both dead. Both of the motors busted out. But I have a deal for some Christmas lights that I will share with you to get them 75% off. OMG. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so let's talk about, we have Walgreens, Dollar General, Lowe's, and then we also have Meijer. And I normally don't do this, but we're gonna talk about Meijer right off the bat, and then we're gonna hit Lowe's because a lot of their Christmas lights are 75% off, but this is the deal of the day. So the Dollar Shave Club, I believe this must be part of their Christmas line. It hit 90% today, and this is kind of like one of these unmarked clearance sort of a dealio, so you might be able to get this because it's not really anywhere. So this specific pack, and it must be this specific pack, which is the 6 and 4 blades. I'll show you guys the UPC. So this exact one, it is $9.99 and it's ringing up for 99 cents. Now, how did you get this for free? What's the story? Okay, if you go to your Fetch Rewards app, I know everybody's favorite these days, they're giving back $2 and you can do it up to 5 times. So I bought 8 of them for $7 and like $7 and some change, and then I got back $10 from the Fetch Rewards app. So for 5 of them I got back $2 each, and yes, this one is in fact qualifying. So I would go ASAP, look in the regular section, that's where I found them. They're not with the Christmas stuff, but this is some weird unmarked Christmas clearance and I'm just running with it. Other Dollar Shave Club products that are part of the clearance that I found include this Post Dew. This guy was 69 cents, and here is the UPC. And that's a really good price point. The original price for this, I think, is $6.99, so 90% off. And also on the Fetch Rewards app, I believe we're getting back $1.50 for this one, so that is really good. I also picked these up, which is a face balm. I thought, you know, perhaps my husband might like that because it's been so dry here. I thought maybe he might like that. And I don't think there was a rebate back for this one because I only got $3.50 rebates. And then this one, it didn't kick back a rebate, but who really knows? I'm still delighted with this. For all of this clearance merchandise, guys, I paid like $13.74 with tax included. After I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, I got back $14.62. So it made this entire haul free and a very small money maker. I would pounce on this deal right away. And just to answer a couple questions, Meijer is in the Midwest only. There is no sister store to this store. So you have it or you don't. So if you have a Meijer grocery store, go right away and look for this stuff. And if you have the same Fetch rebates, by all means, like photograph your receipt right away. I think we have like 2 days left for that rebate, but I got all this stuff for free, which is amazing. Okay, so selected Lowe's outdoor lighting is up to 75% off. I did not find any inflatables. However, I did find a lot of stuff, and I'll include some photos here in a second. A lot of my stuff is in the garage. My husband's gonna be putting up some Christmas lights. So how fun is that? So these are just little teeny tiny twinkle LED lights. and they were $1.74 each, 75% off. Now I use these all year long. They turn off on their own and they're just so pretty. And if you look here, I have this Yankee Candle vase, and then I have it in there. It's just really nice at nighttime, you know, it just adds a little something. So I'm going to show you the rest of the clearance that I found. So the significance of these Christmas lights, I don't know if you're a homeowner like me, but last year we had the lights on 24/7 and we burnt out a bunch of our rows, and I was supposed to buy more outdoor lights and I forgot. Big thank you to the freebie guy for posting this Lowe's 75% off, and why it's happening a couple days before Christmas. I do not know why, but this is what our front of our home looks like. And then I had a couple inflatables. They're dead in the backyard. We can't even get them to light up. So I really appreciate it. So the first item I bought was this. I thought it would really add a little bit of cheer to the front yard. $16.99 was the original price point, and I got it for $4.24. A lot of you will be like, you should wait till it's $90. But hey, at that price point, I'll take it, because it, you know, for all the stuff I got, it was like $40, so totally worth it. So you're looking for this sign, and even if it says 50%, maybe bring it to the front till, get the cashier to scan it. And a lot of this stuff that's like $30, $40 for these lights, to get them for like $8. Wow. So 300 LEDs, these miniatures, and it's a warm white light. It really, with the snow, it makes it really glow in the wintertime. $8.47. And I think this was just under, like, it was $35 or $36 for this, and this is a huge reel of them. So very delighted to have that. I got 3 of them, so we can connect all of them and really have some beautiful lights. And as I was saying, when it snows, it really makes this beautiful glow. And we just haven't had it, so it's been kind of sad, the front of our home, just because I forgot to buy it. Oh, I'm a clearance shopper and I do all this fun stuff, and then I forget to buy it. And then I also grabbed one of these for $7.50. Sorry, I don't remember the original price for this, but that is some significant savings. I had some of those star shower ones, the as seen on TV, and we had them for many years, and both of them finally died this year too. So just over the moon happy with this Lowe's clearance. Thank you so much, freebie guy. We're gonna go to Walgreens, and I just picked this deal up because I didn't do it a couple days ago. So this week, both the Viva and Cottonelle are $4.99. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $9.98. I used both a $5 store register reward and a $4 reward. So it was 98 cents for the 2. It's just a really smart way to use your register rewards. Okay, back to this at the Dollar General. This is still a fire deal that's taking place. These Lysol wipes, the 80 count, found in the regular cleaning aisle, are $2.75 a piece. So for 2 of them, that is $4. 2 of them, that is $5.50. We have this guy from coupons.com. Scan it once, and it'll drop your total down to 51 cents for the 2. I believe most Dollar Generals will be closed on Christmas Day, so do this by Friday, which is the 24th. What a great deal. Before I take off, I just wanted to share a text that my husband sent me today. He had a delicious bowl of the Dollar General soup, and I had to remind him it was a penny. So for some of you that want a Christmas miracle, this might be it, because my husband is not a fan of the Dollar General. It's a long story, but anyhow, he really likes their soup, though. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know the inside joke about all of this. Okay, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.